Right. So what are the concepts we can be see one time? Mainly one point we should be remember mean remaining not necessary. We can understand. So only negative number multiplication division on both sides. Negative number multiplication and division on both sides. Then only inequality will be changes. Other times inequality never be changed. For only fraction, the numbers can be converted into the fraction. Then also inequality will be changes. 2 points you should be remember. What are the 2 points? See, one is negative. Uh, okay. Now internet is clear and stable now. Right. So everyone see 2 points you should be remember. The 2 points is one is negative number multiplication on both sides. Then only inequality will be changes. Then only inequality will be changes. Reciprocal we should be right. Then also inequality will be changes. I hope the small internet problem is there. Video will be small, cutting is there, cut strucking is there. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see these 2 points you should be keep in our mind. Sufficient inequality, all problems we can be completed. Okay, na? Right. Third main, I go through the main. The third main problem is everyone note down the third main problem. Solve 5x minus 3, 5x minus 3 is less than, when is less than 7, when two bits are given. One is x is an integer, x is an integer. Second bit also given, so we have to write 2 bits. So x is an integer. Second bit also they will give it. X is a real number. X is a real number. Right. In problems, we have to remember the one point. What is that point we have to remember is for integers. Integers means decimal parts is not included. Only that number only included. Natural number only that number is included. No decimal parts or no decimal. Therefore, natural number for integers always we take the curved bracket. That is a set bracket. We should take the curved bracket. That is the set bracket. Okay, na? But real numbers mean we take the open bracket or closed bracket depending upon problem only. We take the closed bracket or open bracket. Okay, na? So this is the problem. You should be remember in problem C. So set integers for natural number, no decimal. That's why we should take the set formation bracket, curved bracket we should be take. For real number, we take the closed bracket or open bracket. Reason is, what is the reason is? Decimal points also included. 1 and 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, up to 1.999 also included. Okay, na? That's why. Right, everyone see. Here is, first I'm going to adding the plus 3 on both sides. X value find, solve means find the x value. X term is separating. Only single x term is required for finding the x value. That's why this minus 3 constant I am eliminating. How I am eliminating mean? Now see. So x is make it as a independent. X is make it as independent, no other constant by adding, by subtraction, by multiplication, one by one eliminating for x value by adding plus 3, adding plus 3 on both sides, 3 on both sides. So plus 3 is adding, no change in equality, no change in equality. Therefore 5x minus 3 plus 3 less than 7 plus 3. Therefore, 3 should be cancelled. 5x is less than 10. 5x is less than 10. Divide by plus 5. Divide by 5 plus 5. Plus 5 means inequality never be changed on both sides. So divide by plus 5 on both sides. Inequality never be changed. 5x by 5 is less than 10 by 5. Here 5 is cancelled. 5 one time, 5 two times is cancelled. What is the answer is x is less than 2. Now draw the figure. X is less than 2. Very good, Amri. So draw the figure. Everyone draw the figure. From 2, less than 2, not included 2. Less than 2, not equal to 2. Not equal to 2. Less than 2. Less than 2. That's why I put the circle. Open circle means 2 don't take. Open circle. Circle means don't take 2. Because of less than 2, not equal to 2. Less than 2, not equal to 2. Next 1, next 0, next -1, -2, going on, last one is. So minus infinity, going on, minus infinity. But 2 is not included. 2 because of not equal. Equal is not given. Only less than 2, only less than 2. Okay, now point is clear. Only less than 2, only less than 2. Therefore, for integers, first bit, for integers, x belongs, x is. So x, what are the numbers of x? X belongs to set bracket, that is the curved bracket, minus infinity, dotted, -3, -2, -1. Okay, now? So -1, 0, 1, 2. Not 2 is not included. Up to 1. Up to 1 should be right down. 0, 1. Okay, now up to 1. Up to 1 should be right down. So I will write here, see, minus infinity, dot, minus infinity, dotted, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 2 is not included, sorry. Up to 1. Up to 1 should be right down. Okay, na? Up to 1. Very good. Very good. Amresh, very good. For real numbers, second bit for real numbers. For real numbers mean open bracket or closed bracket. Open bracket or closed bracket. My last number only. Last number, this last number only write down. For closed bracket, open bracket, last numbers only write down. Minus infinity. This last number is the 2. This is included or not included, open bracket. Infinite, we don't know the number, open bracket. So x belongs to minus infinity to plus 2. Understand everyone? For real numbers is open bracket or closed bracket. For real numbers only, open bracket or closed bracket. For remaining integers and natural number, only set bracket, that is the curved bracket. Okay, na? So for open bracket, this end point and this end we can take. Minus infinity is, we don't know the number, open bracket. 2 is not included, only less than 2. So not included, that's why 2 also not included means open bracket. Okay, na? Right. I go through the fourth problem. Solve. Everyone write down the fourth problem. Fourth problem. Right, write down the fourth problem, everyone. Fourth problem is solve. Everyone write down the fourth problem, solve. 3x plus 8. 3x plus 8 less than 3x plus 8 greater than 2, then when First bit is x is an integer. Integer means no decimals. Set bracket for integers is the no decimal. Set bracket. Real numbers is decimals. X is a real number. X is a real number. X is a real number. So real number means open bracket or closed bracket. Now start everyone. First start. Given problem is 3x plus 8 greater than 2. If x is make it as a independent. X is make it as a independent. So we first eliminate plus 8 by adding what number we are going to add. By adding plus number, minus number, no change, only multiplication. Right, adding minus 8 on both sides. No change in equality, only multiplication, then only changes. By adding positive number, by adding negative number, no change in equality. So 3x plus 8 minus 8 greater than 2 minus 8. 3x, 8 cancel, greater than minus 6. X, divide by 3. Divide by 3 on both sides. On both sides. Divide by 3 on both sides. Divide by 3. 3x by 3 is greater than minus 6 by 3. So 3 cancel, 3 2 times is cancel. We get what we are getting. X is greater than minus 2. X is greater than minus 2. Very good. No. Less than is wrong, Amma. Amrish, wrong. Less than is wrong. Here, dividing by plus 3. Dividing by plus 3. Right. Now draw the figure, everyone. Draw the figure. Minus 2 included or not included? No equal. No equal. Therefore, minus 2 not included. Put the circle, means not included. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, going on up to infinity. First bit write down real numbers. Right, very good. First number write down. First bit is x is an integers. Integers mean curved bracket, no decimal. So minus 2 not included. Starting number is the minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. Right. Second bit. Very good. Second bit is a real numbers including. Very good. Second numbers including bracket. So minus 2 is not included. So in second step, inequality changes. Observe. Second step inequality never be changed. By adding, by subtraction, never be changed. Only multiplication by negative number. Already will tell, by the multiplication of negative number. Multiplication of negative number only changes. Otherwise, never be changed. Only multiplication of negative number. Only that point keep in our mind. By adding with the positive number, by adding with the negative number, the inequality never be changed. See, in that point, by adding with the negative number, by adding with the positive number, inequality never be changed. Okay, na? Inequality never be changed. Right. Inequality never be changed. Only multiplication inequality will be changed. Second bit, real number. So here is starting number is a minus 2 not included, open bracket. Infinite, we don't know the number, open bracket. That's enough. See, you have to see the answer is only observe, remember, multiplication of negative number. Multiplication of negative number, only inequality changes. Multiplication of negative number, only inequality changes. Otherwise, inequality never be changed. Otherwise, inequality never be changed. Got it, sir. Very good. Very good. Right. Come to the fifth problem, everyone. Come to the fifth problem. What they are going to tell the fifth problem. Fifth problem is solve the inequality for real of x. Only real, no integers, no natural number, only for real numbers. So fifth problem from fifth to 16, fifth to 16, 5 to 16, 5 to 16, x is a real, x is a real. Solve 5 to 16 problem. Solve 5 to 6. X is a real only. No question of natural number, no question of integers. No question of natural numbers, no question of integers. Right, I am writing the fifth problem. Everyone see, fifth problem is solve 4x plus 3. Solve 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. 5x plus 7. Right. How I am doing the problem is x terms one side. So by adding, subtraction, no change. Inequality never be changed. Only multiplication, inequality will be changes. So by negative number, multiplication of by negative number, inequality changes. Otherwise, adding, subtraction, inequality never be changed. Okay, na? Right. 5x bring on the left hand side, 3 bring on the right hand side. 3 on the right hand side, 5x on the left hand side. Inequality never be changed. So 4x, now see the solution of the problem is 4x minus 5x less than 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. By adding, by subtraction, never be change inequality. Only by the multiplication of minus number changes. So here 5x I will bring the left hand side, x terms are one side, constant terms are one side, inequality never be changed. So minus x less than 4. Minus x less than 4. Okay, now multiply with the minus. Now multiply x value required, x is required, only plus x required. Multiply minus on both sides. Now multiplying with the minus, inequality will be changes. Multiply by minus on both sides. On both sides, because the plus x is required. So minus is the plus x. Inequality changes minus 4. Inequality changes minus 4. Okay. Now draw the figure, everyone. So now draw the figure. So minus 4. From minus 4, 4 is not included. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Up to how many numbers is that? Infinite numbers. So real numbers is the closed bracket, open bracket. Here all are real numbers. Real numbers is the closed bracket or in open bracket. Therefore, x belongs to this number minus 4. Last number infinity. Infinity is no number. So always open. Minus 4 also not included. Here only greater than, not equal. Only greater than. That's why open bracket. Only greater than, no equal, only greater than. That's why open bracket. Right, go through the sixth problem, everyone. Go through the sixth problem. Solve. I go through the sixth problem. Solve. What is the given problem is 3x minus 7. 3x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. Right, start. Everyone, by adding variables are one side, x terms are one side, and the constants are another side. X terms are one side, constants are another side. 3x minus 5x is greater than minus 1, minus 7 this side, plus 7. So minus 2x greater than plus 6. Divide by minus 2. Dividing by minus 2. Multiplying, dividing. Multiplying, dividing by negative number. Divide by minus 2 on both sides. Dividing or multiplying by negative number on both sides. So minus 2x by minus 2 less than 6 by minus 2. Inequality will be changes. Dividing or multiplying by negative number. Dividing or multiplied by negative number. Inequality will be changes. So minus 2, minus 2 cancel, x less than 2 3 times, therefore minus 3. Immediately draw the figure. So minus 3 not included. Minus 2, minus 1. Okay, na? So 0, 1, 2, 3. Last one is the infinite. Now write down x is a real. X belongs to this minus 3 not included, open bracket. Infinity is not a number, we don't know the number. Infinite, what is the number you don't know, open bracket. Only by multiplying and dividing inequality of minus negative number, inequality will be changes. Otherwise inequality never be changed. That's point is you should be remembered. Right, go through the seventh problem, everyone. Go through the seventh problem. Seventh problem. Solve. Go through the seventh problem, everyone. Three times of x minus 1, 3 times of x minus 1 is less than or equal to, equal also there, less than or equal to 2 times of x minus 3. 2 times of x minus 3. Right, solve everyone. First 3, open the bracket by the multiplication. 3 times of x. 3 into minus 1 is the 3, less than or equal to, multiply with 2. 2 times of x minus 2 times of minus 3 is the minus 6. X terms are one side, constants are one side. 3x minus 2x less than or equal to minus 6 plus 3. So 3x minus 2x is the x less than or equal to minus 3. Immediately draw the figure. Minus 3 is including minus 3 equal to minus 3. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 up to infinity. X is a real, closed bracket or open bracket. X is a real, closed bracket or open bracket. So here minus 3 included, closed bracket. Infinity, we don't know the number, open bracket. Infinity, we don't know the number, open bracket. Clear everyone? Clear? Right. Everyone write down the eighth problem. Eighth problem. Eighth problem. First we move towards eighth problem. Eighth problem. 3 times of 2 minus x. 3 times of 2 minus x is greater than or equal to 2 times of 1 minus x. Right, work out everyone. Work out. First open the bracket. 3 times of 2 is the 6. 3 times of minus x is minus 3x. Greater than 2 times of 1 is the 2. 2 times of minus x is minus 2x. X terms are one side. Minus 3x plus 2x greater than or equal to 2 plus 6 comma minus 6 minus x greater than or equal to minus 4 multiply by minus on both sides. Then you should be write down minus is the plus, inequality changes plus 4. Now draw the figure. Starting number is the 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, up to minus infinity. Now write down x belongs to minus infinity to last number is the 4. 4 is included, equal, less than or equal, closed bracket. Infinity, we don't know the number, open bracket. Infinity, we don't know the number, open bracket. Infinity, what is the number? We don't know. Infinite number. That's why open bracket. Right, go through the ninth problem, everyone. Easy problems we can do yourself only. Actually, easy problems we can do yourself. No problem. Okay, na? Only multiplication, division by negative number, then only inequality changes. Otherwise, never be changed. Right. Ninth problem. Everyone see the ninth problem. Everyone see the ninth problem. The ninth problem is x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 3 less than 11. Less than 11. Okay. Equality is not there. First take LCM. This side LCM is 6. 6 into x. Here 3 is less. 3 into x. Here 2 is less. 2 into x. Less than 11. So 6x plus 9x plus 11x. 11x by 6 is less than 11. Multiply with plus 6 on both sides. Multiply by plus 6 on both sides. Inequality never will change. So 6 into 11x by 6 is equal to 6 into 11. Yes, 6 cancel. What is the value is? See everyone. 11x less than 66. Dividing by plus 11, dividing by plus 11 on both sides. Inequality never be changed on both sides. So 11x by 11, 66 by 11. Here x less than 6. X less than 6. Everyone draw the figure. 6, 5, 4. Going on, going on, going on. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, negative, minus infinity. Minus infinity. Minus infinity. Minus 1, 0. Right. Minus infinity. Real x belongs to last number. That last number. So x not equal. Only open bracket, open bracket. That's enough. Right. 10th problem. Everyone go through the 10th problem. First, move towards 10th problem. Right. 10th problem is x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. X terms one side. X terms one side never be changed in equality, only by the multiplication. X by 3 minus x by 2 greater than 1. Take LCM. 2x minus 3x by denominator is the 6 is greater than 1. Right. Next write down. Next write down. LCM. Next 2x minus x by 6 is greater than 1. Divide by plus 6. Divide by plus 6. Divide by plus 6 on both sides. Plus divide by plus 6 on multiply, sorry, not divide, multiply by plus 6. Multiply by plus 6 on both sides. So plus 6 into minus x by 6 greater than plus 6 into 1. 6 cancel. Minus x is greater than 6. Multiply with minus. Multiply by minus. When multiply by minus on both sides, multiply by the minus means inequality changes. Minus minus is the plus x, inequality changes, minus 6. Write down. So draw the figure. Minus infinity, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Going on. Last one is the, sorry, minus 6. Minus 6 2. Minus 6. Minus 6, minus 5 to minus infinity. Write down. Real numbers, closed bracket or open bracket. Minus infinity, last number. This last number is the minus. No equality, open bracket. Infinite, always open bracket. Can I move towards 11th problem? Can I move towards 11th problem first? 11th problem. Write down everyone, 11th problem. Right, write down the 11th problem. 11th problem is 3 times of x minus 2 by denominator is 5. less than or equal also there. 5 times of 2 minus x, 5 times of 2 minus x upon 3. Right, work out. Fast we can do. Cross multiplication with positive number, inequality, no change. Cross multiplication with positive number, inequality never be changed. Positive number multiplication, inequality never be changed. 3 into 3, 9 times of x minus 2 less than 5 into 5, 25 times of 2 minus x. Positive numbers, cross multiplication of positive number never be changed. Negative number cross multiplication changes. Okay, na? Cross multiplication of positive numbers never be changed. Never be changed. Right. Open the bracket. 9 times of x minus 18, 15 minus 25x. X terms are one side. 9x minus 25x less than or equal to 50 plus 18 minus, plus 25, 34x. 34x is less than 68. Divide by 34. Divide by 34. 34 is a positive number on both sides. So inequality never be changed. Inequality never be changed. So 34x by 34 less than or equal to 68 by 34. 34 cancel x. 34 2 times less than or equal to 2. Draw the figure. From 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, less than going on, minus infinity. X real, brackets right on. So that is the minus infinity and 2 is included, closed bracket, infinity is always open bracket because of it is not a number. It is not a number. Is it clear, everyone? Up to 11 problems is completed. Okay. Up to 11 problems is completed. I am going to end the meeting.